Tired of receiving unwanted emails? Let me show you how to block someone in AOL Mail. It's easy, so let's get started. Open your AOL Mail account and go to your inbox. Find the email from the sender you want to block. Open the email and click on the three dots in the upper right corner. Select Block Sender from the drop-down menu. Confirm by clicking Block. If you had to block someone in your inbox, how did it go? Let me know in the comments. If the block option is not available, make sure your AOL Mail account is up to date. If this tutorial helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.